Bunch of quarter panel damage up here.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
I have a Hyundai here. This one got messed up down the side. I don't know what exactly happened to it, but it has a bunch of quarter panel damage up here. Basically, a couple creases. Then it has some door damage, minor damage back here, a pretty good crease here. Then it also has the rocker panel is creased real deep and sharp right here. It's gonna be a little tricky. I'm gonna repair the whole side of this thing. I'm going to start here on the quarter panel, get the metal straightened out there, get a coat of fill on it, and then I'll work my way down. This quarter panel is looking very good. I have one spot right here that's just slightly high, so I'm going to try to tap that down just a little bit. I'm going to do some heat shrinking on this sharp area in this door, and the reason being is the metal was stretched whenever it went in. It was so sharp that it actually stretched the metal, so the metal's actually bigger than it was originally. So whenever I hammered it back out, it's actually a big high spot now. So what I have to do at the peaks of the high areas, like right here and right here is the main areas that I see right now. I have to heat those up with a torch. Then I'll put a dolly on the backside and I'll flatten those out, and it'll pull the metal back together and tighten it up. Normally I would use a bigger torch. I'm gonna try to see if this little one will do the job for now. I might have to get the other one out if it won't. Let's see how this works. I have to move pretty quick. So I have this door ready for primer. The quarter panel is ready for primer. Now I just have this last section right here. It's pretty sharp. I'm gonna actually weld a few tabs in here and use that to bring the peak, the lowest point in there out. Then once I get that sharp part out, the rest of it I'll be able to work pretty easily. But the sharp part's kind of locking everything in right now. I have the primer all blocked out on this one. Now, the last thing I have is this gets a chip guard across the bottom. It goes to right about here. I'm gonna scuff up this bottom area, then I'll tape this off and I'll go ahead and apply that chip guard. I'm going to mark where the chip guard goes on the fender just to make sure it lines up